It's your birthday today.
I wish that my family is always happy. Good morning, good morning.
Wala pa. Again. Cut. Chup. Okay. Go.
Good morning, good morning.
Gani. Aray.
Hold on.
Okay. Sige. Final.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning!
Good morning, guys.
Guys.
Ay, si Emma pa. Emma, good morning.
Sige
lang.
Like that.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah! Oh, sino to?
Good morning!
Sino yan? Bumisita ulit. Fresh from anong country ba to galing?
Vietnam.
Vietnam? Vietnam. Cambodia. Hindi, galing kasi siya ng Canada. So, kakabalik niya lang and sakto, meron tayong pupuntahan napaka-special na... Actually, hindi siya special na lugar talaga kasi puntahan ng turista.
Meron lang special na occasion.
Yes.
So,
Ano kaya yung special occasion na i-celebrate natin? What is it, baby? What's the special celebration that we're going to celebrate today and tomorrow?
My birthday.
It's Martina's birthday! Yay! How old are you?
9 years old.
You're old!
What do you mean old?
68 years old.
Bro, I'm just turning.
98 years old!
Oh, by the way, nasa barko pala tayo ngayon, ha? Oh, tingnan nyo. Oh, hindi na kami bumaba ng sasakyan. Medyo mabilis lang naman to. More or less mga 30 minutes na biyahe sa barko. Matagal-tagal kami hindi nakapag-vlog, ha? Like, siguro
Kailan ba last? September. Oh, yun. Yung birthday pa ni Emilio.
Oo nga, 3 months. 3 months hindi kami nakapag-vlog. Actually, nakapag-vlog kami last time, pero hindi ko pa na-edit.
Ayan. Tinamad yung editor natin eh.
Hindi naman tinamad. Na-busy lang talaga. So, pero pagka, malay mo, masweldohan na tayo dito sa YouTube, di mag-edit ako araw-araw, di ba?
Oo, tama.
Madami kami pupuntahan. Samahan nyo kami, mag-enjoy tayo today and tomorrow, alright?
Tandaan nyo guys, 1 week celebration to. Kaya madugo at magastos.
1 week. Hindi pwedeng 1 week. Kailangan na natin umuwi ka agad. Alright guys, see you!
You know this club.
See you!
Stay
tuned.
Alright!
Stay tuned!
Let's go down.
Ay.
Dito na tayo magse-celebrate na birthday mo, babe. Yeah, we're gonna celebrate your birthday here. We're gonna put some chairs there and tent. Direct na ma-sleep. Tapos ma-swim to to.
You're barely joking.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
And we not
I'm
have
not.
tents. We not have tents. Or it's a house.
You did not bring our tent?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Emma. We're not gonna bring our tent. That's why ganun ang 4x2 lang ta. Because we're gonna go to the city of King and Queen, right? City of Queen ba? Tama ba? Ano ba yung Cebu?
Ewan kami, hindi ko alam.
Search mo na lang sa Google.
Guys,
Alright. Baba mo na ako.
guys,
Gusto
it's
kong
not Cebu,
makita.
it's Cebu. It's not Cebu, it's Cebu.
No, it's Cebu, Pangga. Yan ang amoy! Woo.
Yo, there's a lot of shells and corals.
Corals na corals.
Like corals.
Oh.
Touch pala.
Ah!
Touch pala, grabe.
Anyway, akala ko ba pupunta tayo ng syudad, but parang miss na miss niya yung ano, yung nature, di ba? Miss na miss yung dagat. Eh, ang sarap pa ng panahon.
Tsaka maganda yung place. Kaya napadaan lang. So, appreciate ko yung place.
Yeah, appreciate namin. Hi guys!
Hello? Tapos na tayo. Uwi na tayo.
Uwi na tayo. Okay na tayo sa arcade sa parang medyo pang ano lang, pampainit lang muna, kumbaga.
Pero nawala yung ganong init.
Oo nga eh.
Mas malala.
Grabe kanina init eh. So medyo nawala-wala na. Pwede na kami mag-rides kahit paano. Nawala nga yung init. Umambon naman.
Pagod agad.
Umambon.
Bon?
Yes.
Wala ko.
A little bit.
Makalawa yung
Bump car tayo?
Yes, bunker!
Yes. Let's go. Let's run. Come on. Come on. Go.
Ako yung maiiwan ngayon kasi walang taga-video. So okay lang since bump car lang naman. Very light rides. So sila na muna. This is going to be their first ride.
Ano na sense mo?
Meron ako na-sense kanina sa bump car kay Love Love. Iba yung pagka-single ni Love Love. Talaga, grabe.
May bumabangga daw sa kanya na kakaibang nilalang. So how was it? How was it? How was it? What?
Ay, basa!
You were basa? Oh no!
basa.
How about your... Ang likod mo?
Gusto ko da.
What?
Gusto ko da.
Dira, masakay ka da? Ha?
Hindi. Dungan ta.
Hindi kuya. Kamu lang.
Kailangan natin ng something extreme. Viking. Para matuyo tayo.
Hindi, di ba? Hindi nga kasi pwede daw na habang sumasakay, nagbi-video, di ba? So, sila lang yung sasakay. Mga roller coaster, whatsoever. Eh, sayang yung memories eh. Di ba? Oh, my goodness me. What is this? Tigtil, lamig.
Lamig.
Yan, at nag-neutralize na yung lens ng camera natin. Kanina, grabe yung moist.
Andito na kami sa Pilipinas. Nakalabas na kami.
Nakalabas na, sorry. Hindi namin alam, nakalimutan. Hindi pala pwede ma-video doon sa loob. Post na lang namin yung pictures. Kuha ng Snow World Cebu.
Guys, it is so fun. It's like real snow. Real snow in my whole life. There.
Gusto nyo mag-try dyan? Yes. Ha? I think the entrance is here. There. Good luck, guys. Love you.
Love you. Bye-bye.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, big boy. Good job. Hindi lang magkugas. You need to walk, you need to walk. Mabalance kaliwa. Ha? Okay? Mama! Let's go, let's eat na. Kaya may ato ng food, gano? Okay na? Okay, nay lang ah. Alright. Testing talaga yung tatlo. Tingnan natin mamaya yung sitwasyon nila pagkatapos na roller coaster. Ayaw mapigil eh. Gusto talaga para daw sulit yung punta namin dito. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about you, kuya? You okay na? Fix your hair, please. Ah. Okay ka na? Huwag naglini mo, lo? Good job! Ayun na sila! Hello! As in? Masaya? Habol tayo bili ng cake para kay Martina mamaya. Salubungin natin yung birthday niya.
Yeah.
Di ba, di ba? Mabilisan lang, mabilisan lang.
Surprise birthday tayo. Kay Martina.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Good morning, good morning, good morning!
Good morning!
Good
Kagapon din!
Morning!
Ito kagapon, si Martina man na good morning, li.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But today is...
My birthday!
Andito tayo ngayon sa Mabolo, Cebu. Dahil nakita namin, meron daw sikat na cafe dito na pwedeng paglaruan ng mga bata. They're calling this one RCX Cafe. Kasi nga gusto nila mag-overlanding. Eto siya.
Neon signs hum a hazy tune. Dust motes dancing in the moon. Empty bar stool, whiskey neat. Another heartbreak, bittersweet. She's gone, left nothing but a ghost. A memory that I love the most. And the jukebox whispers low and deep, a melody to soothe my sleep. Hank's still singing about lost loves and wine, a soundtrack to this pain of mine. As she climbs forward, it's a gentle hand pulling me back to solid land. No need to change the mournful tune. This honky tonk's my silver moon. Let the old songs play on through till this aching heart feels
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Hello guys, so we're gonna eat dinner for today. This is the one where I'm gonna blow my cake.
Glow. Her laughter echoes in my head, a ghost of joy, now almost dead. The jukebox plays a memory of simpler times while